Now again, what's interesting here is, okay, I'm back. A little bit of trouble with my mouse there, so I had to like reboot a couple times. But again, the subject tonight is, what is it? It's the furniture mart set. We're on the second half, 8B, which has to do with predictive analysis, modeling. And we have 9 and 10 to go. I'll probably take maybe 4 more weeks. But after that, once we finish the 10th project, we're going to start back over project 1, and we're going to do it in Python for you out there. Okay, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Okay. All right. So anyway, let's open up R again. Okay. There's our furniture mart thing. Let's open up our data. Let's upload our data. Of course, as always, you are in the background there. Don't be bashful. Just stop by the session, say hi, click on that subscribe button for me, and click on the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I go live, okay? Interesting, okay. So we're up to question number, is it 4? 3. What happened here? Jeez. Here we go. Back over here. Let's see if we still got the data. So here's the question. Well, let's try it. Let's come back over here. Let's just go ahead and load our data here. Clear this and run this. And then come back down here. Okay. To predict the product categories that are likely to increase in sales upcoming months based on the past trends, we can take the following: data preparation, trend analysis, visualization, and forecasting. So we've already got this point here done, right? We probably already have that one also, but that's okay. And it's used a basic forecast function. Well, it's interesting that it's using this both a split and a map here. Very interesting. Okay. Okay. We don't really need these because we already got them. We don't need that. And we're just going to come over here. We're going to change this to sales. Okay. Right. Let's run this. Okay, forecast of, was a question products or was a question, okay, let's change this. I mean, it gave us what we answered, right? It's, this ain't good. It's forecasting apparent decline in furniture sales. Of course, everything we have is furniture, right? Let's just try something a little funky up here, shall we? Let's change that to subcategory. Okay, subcategory. Right, subcategory. Because we only have one category of product. Okay. um, where is it? Yeah. So, well, that's a good plot. We only have one category, which is furniture. Okay. So let's get rid of this. Oh, very nice. Then we have individual plots. Oh, that's not very good. Let's try this. Add we might as well just kind of get a little sneaky here. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Again, that's pretty much what we're looking for. Uh, But it's kind of hard to tell. It looks as if it's not going to be a good year for one of the products. Okay. Yes, we can. We can use GeoSmooth. You're absolutely correct. I put new ba I put new batteries in my mouse, and now I can't control it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So we are projecting a slight upward trend in a slight increase in chairs, tables, and even furniture. Okay, let's come back up here. Let's look at this. Very nice. Now, of course, this doesn't look really good down here, but this you hate to say it. It's probably looking back here in a second. There's always a dip. There's always a dip. Okay, very good. Excellent. So we're going to call that question a wrap. Okay. Create a forecast report that breaks down sales expectations by region and market segment. Region and market segment. The trend lines, the trend lines really look nice, don't they? I thought, yeah, really worked well. Probably not a table because this is a PowerPoint presentation, right? So let's come back over here then. And again, we're looking for forecasts by region and market segment. Region and market segment. Yeah, I have to say that ChatGPT has really upped its game as far as our program, because I used to be I take a couple times to it was really good with Python, really good with SQL, but it's still a little trouble with some of the so forecast central region market segment. Eastern region market segment. It's consumers. Let's see. South region consumers isn't looking really. I guess it's going to say it's going to be flat. Okay, Western region consumer market. Good grief, this is a strange one, isn't it? We might as well add trend lines, right? Let's look at one. So we'll just look at both of the versions, right? Okay, so it ran all the way down to here, right? So let's get rid of this. This appears to be the problem. That's kind of strange. That's curious, isn't it? Let's try response B here. You don't really need this. Display forecast. Unless that's actually where the plots are created. I thought that was printing out a table. Uh-oh. Central Mark Home Office is actually not looking good at all, is it? Okay, that looks good. Let's go back and try the other one also. Although last time we did that, what happened was it said it couldn't do something. But let's take a look anyway. Okay, so we'll just stick with the first one. That's good enough, right? Okay, show potential growth strategies for underperforming categories based on past data analysis. Not quite sure. Let's see if we can find something back up here to. Hmm, interesting. I don't know what that one is. So let's get rid of that. That says plot 3. And that's not question 3, that's plot 3. Okay, good. There. That's probably because I have to go back up and run it again. I'm missing one. What happened to the one? Huh. Uh, so let's just save this one here. So there's 4, right? Not quite sure what this is going to do. So this doesn't actually produce any products, does it? Interesting. Okay, good. So we can come down here like this. I mean, we don't want to. For our purposes, we're not actually going to. I'll give this one shot, and if it doesn't work, I'll end the session and work on it offline. Okay. But once again, I'm really impressed with what ChatGPT can do with our programming. Okay, so what we're looking for up here, we're looking for number 3 as our cover slide. Okay. What's this again? Predict which products, subcategory. Interesting. Okay, what is displayed on this? Oh, this is what we're looking for. Okay, so I'm not going to bother to uh, give you these slides because if I go full screen, you won't be able to see anything. Okay. So anyway, continue. I like this one the most. Then come on down, take a look. Some of the and there's a little thing there. Okay. With that, my dear friends, I'm going to bring this session to a close.